Are you looking for a home in North Scottsdale? Well, I want to take you on this awesome home in North Scottsdale right now. So let's check it out. So again, we're in North Scottsdale. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. Really great floor plan. They've done some upgrades to it. And here we are in the entrance. So just off the entrance, dining area. So good spot for it. Really great living and entertaining space. Very open, tall, high ceilings, fireplace. I know we're in Arizona. Still nice to have a fireplace. Opens to the beautiful backyard, which we'll check out in just a little bit. Very expansive kitchen, really nice island. All the countertop space there. Head over here to the master suite. They've redone the flooring. Good wall decoration and covering. I believe they've redone the master bathroom very nicely as well. Double sinks, which is always nice to have. And now, let's head outside. So there are 2 additional bedrooms, one of them currently being used as an office, but both good size. Again, this is in North Scottsdale, great location, super convenient to so many things. Nice big covered patio. Additional seating spots. Nice size pool, a little bit on the smaller side, but really nice. Water feature. Additional room back there for foliage and bushes and all that fun stuff. And just a really nice home in North Scottsdale. So if you're looking for a home in North Scottsdale, this could be the one. Has a pool, great location. Reach out to me, Blair Ballin with the Ballin Real Estate Team, 480-233-6433, or visit me on my website at blairballin.com. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you.